Hey everybody, happy Friday afternoon, 1:30 my time, and I just wanted to do a quick video. So I get this question a lot. Are there trade opportunities late on a Friday, right before the markets close, for the impulse scalping strategy and the 4 steps that are very objective? So the answer is, okay, here, I'm going to show you. All right. So I just kind of pulled up the charts just a couple minutes ago, just kind of looking around and stuff. And so the 4 steps is pretty simple, right? The first step is these time frames need to be aligned, 1 minute to 1 hour. And in this case, we have the 4-hour and the daily trending in the same direction, all right? Our trend for USD CAD, that's the chart we're on. Strength's decent, right? It's not perfect, it's not great, it's not bad, it's about average, right? But strong trend, okay? And then the next step is step 2 is you're looking for a macro trend. Now this macro trend, you can get a notification on your phone that a macro trend has appeared on the 5-minute, right? We're on the 5-minute chart for USD CAD. You can set this up in your settings right here. You can get notifications on every pair, every time frame, whatever strategy, all right? So, but for this example, this is the 4-step scalping, all right? Step 3 is you want 4 red arrows on a pullback, okay? 4 red arrows on a pullback. So here you go. Here's your 4 steps. Boom, okay? And you get actually a few more. But I like when they're like kind of right in a row, all right? The final step of the strategy is the first blue arrow, not blue candle, all right? First blue arrow, you get in. Boom, all right? And then, if you're patient and kind of have your stop loss here, you get into profit, you kind of manage it a little bit, you survive this pullback, and you can see what it's doing right now. Very strong blue candle to the upside. So you could just take this and call it a day and get a few pips, or you can play the long game because the markets are open a couple more hours and see if it continues to surge, which clearly it is. That's the 4 steps, guys. Okay? If you are not on board, here, look at the new candle right here. Right there it is, the new candle starting in an uptrend. Right? And then you can close this out. And now look. Here, I wanted to show you this. I was getting ready to wrap up the video. See how the trend and strength jumped? It went from 18 to 26. Strong trend. Everything's aligned. Step 2, step 3, step 4. Boom. You could just have taken these few pips. You play the long game. And now you can ride it a little farther for a couple hours. Now, generally, do I hold trades over the weekend? Generally not. Some I will based on the strategy. And there you go. So the question is, do you think you can do this? The question is, can you make money winning trades on the 4-step scalping strategy late on a Friday afternoon? The answer is, you already know the answer. We have a special mentorship bonus. Just reach me and I'll give you the details on it so that you can get off to a fast start. But you got to reach me, all right? That's it. Have a great weekend. Maybe I'll come on live a little bit sometime this weekend. But for now, that's it. Let's rock and roll. Have a great day, everybody.